Hi students, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. Did you enjoy your Christmas? Okay, good. How was your exam? Okay, very good. Let's start a new game, Classify. For that, we want to open a software, TuxPaint. How can we open TuxPaint applications, education, TuxPaint? This is the window of TuxPaint. Dear children, in the previous videos I explained about TuxPaint. In this game, we want to classify the creatures. For that, we want to click the stamp tool at the left side of this window. We can see many subtools at the right side. Using these arrows, we can select the creatures. Look children, there are so many creatures. Dear children, you want to find out the pictures and words related to creatures and include them on the canvas. Okay, first you want to select the pictures. First one, snail. Look children, now the snail is big in size. Using these blue lines, we can reduce the size of the picture. Okay. Look, now the snail is small in size. Then we want to click it on the canvas. Next, second one, tortoise. The tortoise is also big in size. We want to reduce the size and click it on the canvas. Next, third one, crow. It is also big in size. We want to reduce the size and click it on the canvas. Likewise, we can click the pictures of duck, sparrow, grasshopper, lizard, snake. Okay. Next, we want to click the words related to these creatures. First one, Iyunnava. We want to reduce the size of these words and click it on the canvas. All of you say which of these creatures are reptiles? Yes, snake, lizard, snail, tortoise. Okay. Dear children, we want to click the word near these pictures. Okay. Next, Neendunava. We want to reduce the size of the word and click it on the canvas. All of you say, which of these can swim? Yes, duck, then tortoise. Okay, dear children, we want to click this word near the pictures. Next, Parakkunnava. You want to reduce the size of the word and click it on the canvas. Tell me children, which of these can fly? Yes, crow, sparrow, grasshopper. Dear children, you want to click this word near the pictures. Okay. Dear children, I think all of you studied this in EVS, right? Okay. I hope you all understood this game. Okay children, see you in the next class. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.